Hi friends, I am Lakshman. In this video, we are going to see the model portfolio for Module 17, COVID-19 scenario addressing challenges in school education. Okay, this is the portfolio activity. We can see here the portfolio activity: prepare an action plan for safe school during COVID-19. So what we have to prepare an action plan for the safe school during the COVID-19. Before going to see this portfolio activity, if you are not subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all. Then you will get the notification directly to your mobile. And do like, share and comment. Now come to the action plan for safe school. Here, to maintain the safe school during the COVID-19, it is the responsibility of the all stakeholders. Then only it is possible to maintain the safe school during the COVID-19. Here, before discussing these concerns, let us first undertake some activities. That is preparation before opening schools. What are the precautions we have to take before opening the schools, and how to maintain social distancing, and what are the precautions to be followed while entry and exit of the students in the school, and what are the practices to be followed during school hour. So first one, let us see preparation before opening schools. Before the schools start functioning, teachers, principal, parents, community and others need deliberate the following aspects. The school functionaries should discuss and make attempts towards the safety measures to be undertaken in the school. These would include deliberations on sanitization of the school complex, including toilets, making arrangements for the hand wash, and wearing or making available face masks by all, etc. This decision also needs to be taken about the modality to be followed for maintaining social distancing, that is 6 feet distance between two persons in the school. All the staff members need to be vigilant for symptoms, for staying in touch with the local municipal authorities, district administration and hospitals, for taking necessary steps in case of anyone in the school starts to feel sick. Sanitization of teachers and other staff not to be hide any of his illness is essential. School head should allow such staffs to remain on leave through changes of misuse may be there. PTA meetings and meeting of SMCs, preferably through online mode, may be held to discuss safety issues before opening the schools. Parents need to be informed about the required preparation to be done by them and the child before coming to school. There is a need to build effective communication mechanism between school and community, and collecting the details of occupation of each parent is crucial, as some of the parents may be traveling to different places frequently within and outside the village or town or district. Local health officials may be consulted and arrangements may be made to handle the emergency situations. Mobile or portable hand wash cum sanitizer facility needs to be arranged in each school. Right now in many schools they may not be in place. The suggested school timings need to be discussed and finalized. Okay, next, social distancing. And here how to maintain social distancing means maintaining social distance, that is 6 feet distance or 2 gauge idori, is an important safety requirement. Majority of these schools run with their full capacity with the required PTR. In such a situation, maintaining social distancing in the class or school is a challenge. This can be observed in different ways. Among many ways, 2 ways are suggested below for consideration. It is for the school administration to decide the required course of action. Half of the students of each class may attend school on odd days and the remaining half on even days. Classes 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 may come to school on odd days and the remaining classes on even days. The students not coming to school may be given assignments or homework, etc., which needs to be supervised by the teacher. Groups like WhatsApp or any other may be formed to directly communicate with the students and parents, and library or computer or practical periods must be staged in such a way that proper social distancing is maintained. Games and sports period and music, dance or other performing art period must be increased with proper facility and guidance. This will help in keeping children happy and stress free besides being healthy. Next, entry and exit of the students in the school. And as suggested earlier, the school timings may be staggered for different classes to avoid crowding at the entrance gate. All schools functionaries must be properly instructed to ascertain standard operating procedures in the following areas. That is, first one, scanning of each and every staff member of the school without fail for fever or cough or cold. Scanning of every child daily at the time of entry of the school for fever or cough or cold. Provision of sufficient number of hand washing stations with facility of soap and water, and to ensure by monitoring that every child washes her or his hands at regular, and provision of sufficient number of hand washing stations with facility of soap and water, and to ensure by monitoring that every child washes her or his hands at regular intervals and especially before and after eating food. The closing time of the school is perhaps the most chaotic time in May schools, and no social distancing is maintained. Therefore, school heads, teachers and other staff must be properly sanitized to disperse students of different classes in staggered manner. Following strategies may be adopted. If the school has all the stages, then starting and closing time of primary classes may be kept different. This may be done by adopting 30 minutes late starting and 30 minutes early closure for primary children. Only problem may be there for a few cases in which siblings are there, with one in primary and other in upper primary or higher classes. This can be handled by allowing entry of siblings together. Even of higher classes, the dispersals have to be controlled in the following manner. Separate pickup and drop points for students coming by school bus and dropped by parents. No unregistered bus or van be allowed to pick up or drop students. Next, ensuring proper social distancing in school bus or van. Okay, this next practices to be followed during school hours. The important challenge now is how to practice the above safety measures when teachers and students are in the schools. Some suggestions are made here for consideration. Assemblies, meetings, use of playgrounds and other activities where it is not possible to practice social distancing may be avoided. There is a need to limit the mixing of children, such as staggering playground times and keeping grounds separate for special activities such as art, music and exercising. Students and other school functionaries need to be encouraged for frequently, that means after every 20 to 30 minutes, hand wash with soap and water or sanitize with a good quality sanitizer. Some posters or charts can be displayed at prominent places in the school. Teachers need to keep on reminding them about the safety measures. All functionaries and students need to wear a face mask covering their mouth and nose throughout the school hour. Classroom arrangement or setup. Okay. Here the classroom, the decision needs to be taken in the consultation with parents or SDMS and local school authorities. Then only how to make arrangements of setup of classrooms. There should be a distance of about 6 feet between the students, depending upon the size of the classroom and number of students, and the decision needs to be taken. Group work to be done through email, WhatsApp, and in schools it can be done by observing social distancing. Encourage the development of innovative ways of handling the epidemic by teachers and students such as preventive methods through slogans, cartoons, poems, scripts and many more. In schools where midday meals are provided, it is very much essential that the meal is freshly cooked and properly checked by the competent committee of the school under the leadership of the school head. The cook should also wash their hands, wear face masks, gloves and cover their head. Thank you. This is the model portfolio for module 17 COVID-19 scenario. This is the friends, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon and select all, and please do like, share and comment. Thank you.